Show 327, and we are replacing tin roofing. Good news, it's almost a flat roof. And more good news, this tin's same dimension as the old tin. The old tin's about 30 years old. When I got here yesterday, there was 3 sheets, 3 rows already on. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got about halfway done. The bad news is, when you're taking the old tin off, it's got 3 different kind of fasteners. 1/4-inch hex head screws, Phillips head screws, and nails. So I'll go down with the hammer, ripping nails out. Then I'll come back with the cordless drill. Cordless drills are mandatory. Take out the hex heads, and come back and take out the Phillips heads. Let's get going. So up on the roof, I've got on my sunblock, got on my sunglasses, I got on my shade hat. 2 drills. There's your 1/4-inch. This one will be a Phillips head. I've also got a T25 for putting screws in. Got my screws up here. Got my water bottle, my nail apron, gloves. And walking on the new tin, I know what's under there. We put in some new purlins. That's what the tin screws down to. Over there, I have no idea what's under there, and the tin is old and thin. So I'm gonna put up some purlins, 1x4 treated, to walk on to remove the fasteners from that tin. That's next. But first, gotta stay hydrated. I hear turkeys. If I see them, we'll zoom in on them. That's almost iffy even with the 1x4s up here. So I think I got about 3 rows ready to take off. If you think about what about all those nails and screws, they go on the ground and get picked up with a magnet. Might be time for more water. Might better get the drone out. So the next step with all the rusty tin removed, we're going to put in the 1x4 purlins, and that's what the new tin screws to. Putting on some new boards out where the eaves are rotted. And then we'll start getting the tin put on. We're now ready for the bottom 3 rows of tin. I gotta get my screws ready. These are 10 by 1.5 inch long with the rubber washers. 1/4 inch head. This is the fast part, putting the tin on. We just put the purlins in, repaired the eave on the end. Now we can get to work. I put one at the bottom, then I come up the top, make sure everything's straight. I can't put one up here because the next sheet overlaps, so I'm going to put it down here. I like to take my foot, the previous sheet has a screw. I'll take my foot and I'll line up, I can see the purlin there. So on these old purlins, that's what we're working with. I just beat them down, make sure they're going to hold up the new tin. Then the new tin can hold that down. Then I'll put 2 screws in the new purlin. And I love the deck screws with the T25s, but the Phillips head, I've not been loving them. However, if you've got an impact driver, it does not strip out the Phillips head very bad. Actually, I'm having really good luck with the impact driver. If you use a regular drill, I don't love them. Impact driver, I do love them. I'll show you. I'll take my hammer and start to. And then impact driver, try to keep my knee out of the way. Sinks them right on in. Drill, good chance you're going to strip it out. This is with the drill. Strip out. That's no good. In that case, I got to put another screw in beside it and break that one off. Or just drive it on in. Same board with the impact driver. Gotta love that. So I'm on my last full piece of tin. There was some rain, that cooled it down for us. Anyway, I just line it up with the one before it, make it smooth. There are two different sides. This one is the one that overlaps, and this other one has a little flat edge. That's the one that gets overlapped. And that is all there is to it. Just gotta screw this off, and then the last one is gonna have to come back to here. Overlap. So I'm a new purlin. There's two new purlins. One's here, one's gonna be there. When I put the screw in, it's a self-tapping screw. Doing this with one hand. Anyway, that's about right. If you go too far, squish it too far out, you can always back it up a little bit. Got it right there. Perfect. I'll go put 1, 2, 3, about 5 more up there. We'll get this last edge done. And then on my ladder, I've got it ratchet strapped to the roof. That way it's not gonna fall on me. Not a big fan of falling.